Sir, I saw you exit your vehicle with your booties on already.
How are you?
I'm good. I was just wondering, that's no cross-contamination, wearing your booties in your vehicle?
Excuse me?
Wearing your booties in your vehicle?
I just put my booties on.
No, you didn't. I recorded you get out of your car with them on.
I got down there, I put them
So
on.
cross-contamination.
Excuse me?
Cross-contamination?
No, these are brand new booties.
Let me see the bottoms of them. I believe you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What's your name?
Allie. This is your. Do you mind if I just get your name?
Sure, actually,
Okay.
I've got a little cord here for you.
You're the first person I've seen with it not flipped over.
Oh, well, it could be both ways.
Well, we asked to flip them over and they don't. We always ask them to flip them over and they won't.
There you go.
Is it pigeons? I seen pigeons.
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
I don't know.
Thank you for your card. Appreciate it. Oh, you guys are busy.
Yeah, it's busy.
Same one from yesterday. It looked like they were just testing a bird and then put it into the trash barrel where the gas is. Oh yeah, look, there's another one. They're swabbing it.